Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum on one of the exchanges called KuCoin. It's a very popular exchange and it's growing in popularity day by day. So I thought I should make like a simple tutorial for people who are trying to get into crypto but they don't really know how to get started. Um, the process is very simple. The entire idea, excuse me, sorry about that. The entire idea of crypto is that it should be accessible to everyone. And yeah, it might sound like a very daunting or intimidating process, but it really isn't. So let me show you how to buy Bitcoin on KuCoin. Okay, so I have Google in front of me. Let me just type KuCoin. Okay, so I'm gonna go on the first link, which is KuCoin.com. It's pretty simple. Okay, so my account is already logged in, but if you do not have an account on KuCoin, there should be a login and a sign up button right next to it, right about here. Just click on sign up. It's a very easy process. Does not really require anything. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. You're gonna sign up on KuCoin as you sign up on any other platform. So that's very easy. Once you have an account, you're gonna log in, and this is the type of screen you're gonna see on your computer. So if, for example, you want to buy Bitcoins, you're gonna go on markets. You're gonna go on spot, and then so I usually like to buy Bitcoin in USDC, which is a good stable coin. I like it, but you can you can choose any pairing for Bitcoin or any other coin that you want to buy. So for example, I want to buy Bitcoin, right? So I'm going to click over here, and so after that, you're going to see this very intimidating screen in front of you. But trust me, it's really simple. It's not that hard. So this is just the order book. This side of the screen is just showing you recent trades. This is the candlestick chart. Very simple. But let me show you how to buy Bitcoin. So you're going to scroll down. You're going to see this panel right over here. I selected the spot trade category. So I'm seeing a spot trade panel, and so if you want to buy Bitcoin based on the market prices, which are live, you're just going to click on market right here. You cannot select the market price because it's just going to select the price according to the order book. So for example, you have 1,000 USDC in your account, and if you want to buy Bitcoin worth $500, so you're going to select 50%. And then you're going to click on buy. I don't have any, USDC in my account. This is just a tutorial video. So yeah, but it's very simple. You're just going to click on market. You're going to click 25%, 50%, or however much you want to buy. Just click on that number or select a number from your side. Like 33% of the funds that you have in your account. Just buy Bitcoin. And if you want to sell, same process. You can sell using this option right here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. If you wanna put in a limit order is essentially the price that is not currently prevalent in the market, but once it hits, KuCoin is going to trigger your order. So for example, currently Bitcoin is trading at $20,707.31. For example, I want KuCoin to trigger my order once Bitcoin hits, let's say 20,500, right? And I want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin once it hits this price, assuming that I have $1,000 in my USDC. So I'm going to click 50%. I'm going to buy. Okay, pretty simple. Once it hits 20,500, it's going to trigger my order. If it does not hit 20,500, of course, it's not going to trigger my order. So it's very simple. If you guys want me to teach you how to do future trading on KuCoin, what it is, how it works, how the margin is calculated, leave a comment below. I'm gonna make a video on futures trading, how it works, how you can profit off of the entire mechanism of future trading. So yeah, let me know. And if you have any other questions regarding this video, please feel free to drop a comment. If you think this video was helpful, share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and again, if there are any questions, or if you want me to teach you anything else crypto related, just drop a comment below, and I'm gonna get to it as soon as possible. Alrighty.